All set up for our first cook on our new char griller Akorn Kamado. Doing some really nice pork chops, boneless loin chops, cut them myself, season them with big dicks. We're ready. What I'm planning on here is just barbecued pork chops tonight, and we're going to use Big Dick's rub and Big Dick's barbecue sauce, and both of them are very pleasant. And I'm planning on doing about 5 minutes aside with a quarter turn and a halfway point. Pork chops USD safe is 145 degrees. We like ours to pull them right around 140, maybe just a little before that.
They keep cooking after you pull them.
I've had my 2.5 minutes. I'm going to give them a quarter turn for another 2.5 minutes. And then we're going to flip them over. We'll sauce them first and flip them over. Smell really good. We're going to sauce these first before we turn them over. We want to caramelize our sauce, get it all nice and thick and good. So just a quick splattering of sauce, and then when we flip it, start to caramelize it.
The professional phrase is ooey gooey.
I like ooey gooey. Looking and smelling good. Just flipped them. Going to sauce them and give them another 5 minutes on that side with a quarter turn, a halfway point, and sauce them again. Flip them for a real quick caramelizing of the sauce, and we're good to go. On them, looking good, smelling good. Another couple of minutes. It's time. Ready for a final flip here. Want to caramelize the sauce a little more and do a light coat here on the top. Love these barbecue hooks. Aren't these pretty?
The char griller does a great job.
Alright, for the final touch, I just want to do a light touch of sauce. Just going to give these a couple of minutes here, maybe not even that, just to kind of caramelize the sauce on the top here.
And we're going to serve it with twice baked potatoes and some veggies, but the pork chops on the char griller will be the star of the show.
Aren't they pretty? They are ready. Look at that. That's pretty.